Hours after leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi attacked the centre over the government's move to recruit public servants through lateral entry, on Sunday, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav launched a hypocrisy jab at the Congress party, saying it was the grand old party that introduced this concept of lateral entry. Earlier, Rahul Gandhi termed the centre's move to recruit bureaucrats like this in this manner as an anti-national step. He's alleged that reservation of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward castes was being openly snatched away by this action. So this lateral entry, remember, is also for those who, to bring in expertise of a different kind, even though they haven't gone through the bureaucracy, so to say, as an examination and then entry, that there could be, if experts who can be brought in with their value for and to help with the government. Now here, remember, Rahul Gandhi had charged at the government saying that this is deliberate to take away the set reservations for the underprivileged groups, and that's why this was being done. But Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has hit back at this, saying that it is not being done by our government. This was in fact had been done earlier as well. The Grand Old Party had introduced the concept. Let's first listen in why the India Bloc leaders and Congress Party has charged at the government on this.
ये lateral entry का खेल चल रहा है, कोई पहली बार नहीं हो रहा है. न इसमें आरक्षण है, न इसमें संविधान की कहीं जो व्यवस्था है उसका पालन है. अपने लोगों को खुश करने के लिए लेटरल एंट्री कर रहे हैं. हो सकता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी नए भ्रष्टाचार की तैयारी कर रही हो और लेटरल एंट्री वाले लोगों से करा करके वो फिर भाग जाएं भारत छोड़ करके.
डायरेक्ट एंट्री कर रहे हैं, पिछले दरवाजे से आप एक तरह से आरक्षण को खत्म कर रहे हैं और संविधान के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं. तो जो राहुल गांधी लगातार कहते आए हैं कि 90 सचिवों में से सिर्फ 3 ओबीसी हैं या रिजर्व कैटेगरी के हैं, तो उनकी बात सही थी. और जो हम लगातार चुनाव में भी उठा रहे थे कि साहब ये संविधान बदल देंगे, तो देखिए शुरुआत तो ऐसे ही होती है. बैकडोर से संविधान बदलना शुरू कर दिया है इन्होंने.
आज जिस तरीके से कुछ पदों के नियुक्तियों के लिए डायरेक्ट बहाली के लिए सीधा वहां से डिमांड्स मांगी गई है, जिसमें आरक्षण का ध्यान नहीं रखा गया है, इस बात के मेरी पार्टी भी पूरी तरीके से खिलाफ है. सरकार का अंग होने के नाते सरकार के उचित प्लेटफॉर्म पे इस कंसर्न को मेरी पार्टी की तरफ से हम लोगों ने भी दर्ज कराया है. आने वाले दिनों में भी इसके ऊपर मजबूत आवाज हम लोगों की तरफ से उठाई जाएगी.
So this sort of lateral entry has basically become a huge issue. It's a political showdown as well. I want to bring in my colleague Piyush Mishra on this. Piyush, what is this policy? Why does the opposition say this is going to hamper the provision of the reservations?
Well, after the government has announced the appointments of at least 45 posts via lateral entry, now the opposition has come out and is now creating a narrative that the government is again trying to temper with the reservation and it wants to play with the constitution. But the government sources yesterday itself, they had confirmed, and we also are now seeing as to how a post, even if he says that as far as the lateral entry, the kind of stand which the opposition has taken shows the hypocrisy of the opposition political parties. Ashwini Vaishnav made a post that said, and I quote, "I see hypocrisy that it was the UPA government which developed the concept of lateral entry." So that is what the government is saying, that it was UPA government which had developed lateral entry. But on the other side, we are seeing not only the leaders from opposition political parties, but also LJP, which is the part of NDA, has raised objections to this. And Chirag Paswan, while speaking to media, has also asserted that his party has raised reservations on this. We'll have to wait and watch how government is further going to clarify on this.
All right, Piyush, also tell me this. Do you think this is going to build up now with Rahul Gandhi leading it, Akhilesh speaking on it? The government has charged back, giving the UPA reminder. But is it going to end there? Because the Congress is going to say you are the one implementing it right now, and that's why the questioning is happening.
Well, not at all, Pooja. In coming to this, we will see the opposition political parties to mount pressure over the government on this issue, because remember that elections are also coming in two important one state and one union territory in Jammu and Kashmir. So looking at that, the opposition will continue to build the narrative that the government wants to end reservation, it wants to tamper with the constitution, and we have seen this narrative which was built by the opposition political parties, which has also cost the BJP a lot of seats. This is what the BJP believes. So this narrative will continue to be built by opposition, but they will continue to mount pressure over the government that the BJP wants to end reservation. So the government is coming out and clarifying on this, but it is very much certain that it is going to be escalated in coming few days.
All right, keep tracking all the latest on that, Piyush. This is going to be a big issue, remember, because it's going to be as much about bringing experts, and does this hamper the existing provision of the reservations?